Hello and welcome to this quick and helpful tutorial. If you're trying to enable camera access for TikTok on your Android phone, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to make sure your camera permissions are correctly set so you can record videos easily. Locate the TikTok app icon on your Android phone's home screen or app drawer. Press and hold the TikTok icon until a small menu appears. From the menu, tap on App Info. After that, scroll down and click on Permissions to open the list of all permission settings for TikTok. Now, tap on Camera. Select Allow only while using the app, or simply Allow, depending on your Android version. That's it. You've successfully enabled the camera for TikTok on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech guides.